Fix iOS 27 battery drain with the settings I'm going to show you. Do keep in mind that the iOS 27 public beta is still a beta, so we cannot really expect good battery life out of a public beta or a developer beta. But by changing some settings, you can get a day of battery life, if not more, depending on your usage patterns, iPhone model, and battery health. Let's get started. Go to location services and turn off precise location for the apps you don't need. If you don't use the Apple Mail app, then go to apps, then mail, and then accounts. Fetch new data and turn off fetch new data. Keep it to manual. Go to apps, app store, scroll down and reset identifier. Go to game center and turn off game center. Go to privacy and security and location services. Share my location and turn off share my location if you don't use it. Scroll down, go to system services and keep only three settings on. Compass calibration, emergency calls and SOS and find my iPhone. Scroll down and turn off all the settings. Scroll down under privacy and security and turn off every setting that you don't need. Go to screen time, scroll down, content and privacy restrictions, screen distance, and turn off screen distance. Under sounds and haptics, scroll down, and if you don't need system haptics and lock sound, turn them off. But I would keep it on. Turn off the notifications completely for the apps you don't need notifications from. Or you can add them to scheduled notifications. If you don't use standby, turn it off. Under accessibility, sound and name recognition, turn them off. Also turn off music haptics. Under accessibility, turn off voice control, eye tracking, and head tracking if you don't need it. Under accessibility, touch, back tap, turn it off if you don't use it. You can turn off reduce motion, but I would not suggest you to turn off reduce motion. It cuts off the animations and ruins the experience. Under accessibility, display and text size, do not turn on reduce transparency as it does no effect to battery life. Scroll down and turn on reduce bright effects. Under general, go to background app refresh and turn it off. Make sure your VPN is turned off when you are not using it. Go to AirPlay and continuity and turn these settings off if you don't use it. Under AirDrop settings, keep it to receiving off, turn off bringing device together, and turn off use mobile data. Go to General, scroll down, and go to Keyboard settings. If you don't use haptic feedback and sound on your keyboard, turn them off. Go to Wi-Fi settings, scroll down, ask to join networks and turn it off. Auto join hotspot and also keep it to never. Delete the widgets you don't use on your home screen. Widgets that run in your background constantly do drain your battery life. For example, the weather widget. Also simply delete the applications you don't use. Go to battery settings and then power mode and turn on adaptive power if your iPhone supports it. Go to mobile service, mobile data options, voice and data, and either keep it to 5G auto or LTE. If you don't use Hey Siri feature, Go to Siri, requests, and keep it off. Scroll down and go to accessibility settings and turn off always listen for Siri. On your home screen, tap and hold on an empty space. Tap on the top left corner and tap on customize. Choose default icons, as the tinted and clear icons drain some battery. I'm sure these settings will improve your battery life by at least 10%. I'll show you the screen on time I'm getting on iOS 27 public beta. I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max and the battery health is still at 100%. I'm getting good screen on time with medium usage. Let me know how much battery life you're getting in the comments and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Peace.